I've reached my hotel Highland, जहाँ पर last time रुके थे मनाली में, वहीं पर मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. So before I forget, let me just give you a room tour. All radiant fresh, still not well, little सर्दी वर्दी है, वो ठीक हो जाने वाली है. As of now, I'm just gonna explore old Manali.
Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me gotta move on. Keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love, then there's no lust. Whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel anything, don't feel anything.
Okay, अगर आप मनाली आते हो, ले जाते हो या ले से वापस आते हो, तो मनाली is a place and Ridin is the cafe where you guys must come. Meet the owners of Ridin. Hey Godwin.
Hi, Godwin here.
And Sneh.
So this is Ridin Cafe, and it's a small boutique hotel and a restaurant.
It's not a small boutique and a restaurant.
It's completely fabricated out of old motorcycle parts, and we love to cook, we love to eat. We're dishing out Indian, Chinese, Conti, pastas, Thai, and a little bit of local Himachali food as well.
Okay, so it's been almost like 15 minutes now. I am walking and just finding my way. I can bet you haven't seen this old Manali. अभी तक नहीं देखा होगा. गली गली में से निकलते हुए हम चले जा रहे हैं. Okay, so I don't really know the name of the place. We were just walking. This is ahead of old Manali. कम से कम हमने 15-20 मिनट बस चल ही रहे. And what I see from here is mountains, a small stream of waterfall, and there's water. And I can spot a coffee shop out there. So I might go and have coffee. After walking for like so many kilometers, this is what I get to see. Have you seen this part of Manali? Let me know in the comment section. So as I'm walking, I'm getting a really different kind of smell, which is really very refreshing. So थोड़ा टाइम पहले जो मेरी तबीयत ख़राब हो गई थी, सर्दी और नाक बह रहा था, अभी ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं है. Also I had water from that टैप, पीछे एक टैप नहीं है, खाली सा पाइप लगा हुआ है. ऑल द वे जो ऊपर का स्ट्रीम है, झरना है, वहाँ से पानी डायरेक्ट आता हुआ है. एंड द स्मेल, मैंने उनको पूछा कौन सी है. सो द पाइन ट्री जो है उसको काटते हैं ना, वो वाली स्मेल है यहाँ पर गलियों गलियों में से. मुझे भी नाम नहीं पता है, सॉरी, मैं आपको नहीं बता सकती हूँ. सो अ टास्क फॉर माई स्क्वाड, फाइंड आउट द प्लेस. इट्स इन ओल्ड मनाली. So I've been just hopping from one cafe to another. So right now I am at Dylan's Cafe, which is at Old Manali, and I'm having something I don't know the name. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Okay, these are cookies. And it's yum. And it's dark. Right, so jumping from like one cafe to another, now we are searching for a tattoo artist, and we are here at some studio wherein Nisha wants to make a tattoo of this. It's like Om Padme. Okay, Om Mane Padme Hum. Yeah, okay, my bad. So it's been almost an hour now. Nisha is still making a tattoo. By the way, I am at Lord Shiva Tattoo Studio, and the best thing about this is you get to sleep and you get to rest and you get to lie down. Oh, I think I'm falling sick again. Well, Nisha is done with her tattoo and I am here at the leather market. It's not a leather market, actually, a leather store wherein I wanted to buy a leather jacket. So last time when I had come to Manali, I think 4 or 5 days ago, I had seen this shop wherein all the jackets were hanging around, and I was like, I want to get one jacket for myself. And I've got one black jacket, going for 1200. And the name of the shop, let me just ask. Shop ka naam kya hai? Leather Gallery, which is in Old Manali. Do visit, must buy. He's got like awesome collections out here, and he also couriers it. I'm gonna share his number like right away. Time check, it's exactly 10:15 right now, and after doing like a lot of shopping, after tattooing, after hopping from one cafe to another, I think this is the better way to end my vlog. I'm not gonna end officially my vlog, but I am with Bhai is there and Bhabhi. We are here, we are having our dinner, family time to spend kar rahe, and about their shop I'm gonna brief you after I end my vlog. So abhi ke liye khana khate hain. Alright, time check, it's exactly 12 o'clock right now. रात के 12 बजे है, and this was a fun, amazing day. Last time when I was in Manali, I had fun. By last time I meant to say like 4 or 5 days ago, and this time also I had fun. So I met again new friends. I mean, I met a lot of people and made new friends, I would say that. I met a lot of cafe owners today. I cracked one more deal. That's a secret, so that I'm gonna disclose you in another 25 days probably. And yeah, I was talking about Bikers Point, wherein from वहाँ से आप bike rent कर सकते हो. You can get a tour guide, you can plan your tour, you can hire a Volvo, bus का ticket है, you can go for rafting, trekking, and etc, camping. So I got to know all this today. इसके पहले मुझे जितना पता था that you can rent a bike from there. So yeah, and if you want any information about everything that was there in my vlog, you can check it out in the description. As always, this is RiderGirl signing off, breaking all stereotypes. Don't forget to fuel your passion and throttle to your destination, because I am fueling my passion and this is my destination. Also guys, thanks for making me part of your day. See you guys in the next vlog. I love you guys, and don't forget to keep calm and gear on dark.